Yo, what's up? My name is Sput. Welcome to Damage Control, a different type of sailing channel that's here to bring you exactly what you need. Welcome aboard. Please, come along, enjoy the journey as I learn, grow, and go. This broker is starting to prove himself some trash. This guy is rushing me. I'm about something, get here as soon as you can. Man, please. You know, a day ago you didn't even know if this would happen today. You were hoping and praying that all the paperwork came through. Now it's, where are you, where are you? I'm traveling, fool. And I'm gonna stop and get me something to eat. So, I'll see you when I see you. And you better have my paperwork.
When you do this, what you need is put down the date for the closing. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it up to
So that was all bad. The broker and the seller set me up for failure because they did not talk to the people who need to splash the boat. So now they're saying that they require a 1 to 2 week notice. Now, is it 1 week or 2 weeks? It can't be a 1 to 2 week. What if I do 1? Do you say, no, we require 2? So this whole operation, I'm telling you about Florida. Florida is rough. You know, everybody hears about the quick buck on these boats, so you really have to be careful. Well, we'll see how this goes. You know, it's probably just about greasing the palm a little bit and a little, kickback or a little something extra for somebody to do their job, essentially. Yeah. Thank you, broker. Joseph, you've been all right. You did me right. You know, we made a good deal. I'm happy with the boat, so far anyway. We'll see how it does on the ocean. But I got nothing to say about you. But the broker, even though those suckers from the Marina ain't trying to put my boat in the water, I'm still happier than a mother. I own it. I bought it. It's mine officially. Broker's been paid, seller's been paid, and they're gone. But it's no time to celebrate. I have to immediately take inventory to see what's going to be needed for that long trip up north that's about to begin in the next 2 days. Wow. I'm so overwhelmed right now. It's just feeling like I just bought a house and I have to do everything by, within 2 days by myself. That's how it feels right now. It's not really that way. I do have some help coming and I'm so grateful for that, but it's just an overwhelming feeling right now. I'm happy. I'm just overwhelmed. All right, now I have to call and get insurance, or not call, but forward the few remaining documents to the insurance company to make sure I'm insured, because now it's mine. So if a gust of wind comes and blows it off the stands right now, I lose. So I want to go ahead and get the insurance right away. There's still going to be some issues as to when we splash, because the broker let me down and the seller let me down and they didn't arrange anything for the splashing. Not gonna let it get me down because I'm happy. So if I have to sit here an extra day or two, whatever, it is what it is, you know. My team is still gonna help me, so it is what it is. We'll make the best of it. I'll spend that time cleaning and trying to make it my own. And just getting things set up for the passage. Got about 900 miles to go. I want to do it in about 7 days-ish. So I think it's less than 9, it's 8 something. It's important to go through every cubby hole when you first move onto the boat, or first get the boat, not even move on. But when you first get your boat, you should go through every cubby hole so that you're not spending money unnecessarily buying things and then turn around and find them in a cubby hole tucked away somewhere, forgotten about. So I've been going through all the cubby holes and pulling out all the stuff, including dishes, and determining which dishes I'm going to keep and which dishes have had their best life already and can now find their way into the trash. Yeah, it's just a way to save a little bit of money and not buy things that you don't need. Well, it's time to stop cleaning and start doing some other things. I have to make a West Marine run, a Costco run, and a couple other runs, maybe back to Walmart as well. Also have to go and talk to the Marina people and see if they can splash me Saturday now. I haven't heard anything back, so I'm gonna go and poke them and see when we might get in the water. Yeah, my crew should be here tomorrow, and I don't think we're going anywhere tomorrow because the weather is not supposed to be so good tomorrow. So, plus I haven't heard anything about a splash. Yeah, so stay tuned. First stop was West Marine for a few small items, the gold package for boat US membership, and 3 offshore inflatable life vests. The owner left some, but they looked a little shabby, and I wanted something that we could definitely depend on. So I got these. Next it was Costco and Walmart, where I picked up enough food to feed the entire crew for a month, just in case. Back to the boat for more prep. Ready to roll. I tell you one thing, whenever we do get into the water, we're going nowhere without a wheel. So, watch this, America. Right? Just slide it on. All too simple. Go, go, go. No, no, no. Why did it make such a big deal of a wheel? But I got it. It's on. It's on, baby. Time to do my dance. 'Cause I feel good. I got a wheel. Hey. Oh my goodness. Look at me, America. I got a sailboat with a wheel. With a real helm. Oh, shoot. Never trust anybody to put the plug in. You make sure you check the plug yourself. Seems nice and tight. Well, yeah, that's it. Still not splashed. Tide's gonna be lowering or going out. Well, still trying to get the insurance stuff straight anyway. Now they want to say I'm an absentee owner because I have a license, a driver's license that's not in the state where the boat is going to be berthed. So they're asking for an absentee owner's form, even though I live in Virginia. So I have to write them a justification as to why things are the way they are. This is what provisioning is like. 3 trips to the grocery store, trip to West Marine, or a couple trips to West Marine, and a couple trips to the tool store. Well, this is a new boat, or new to me, so I have to restock tools as well. .30 in the morning, still working. I'm almost there. I was in the zone. I couldn't stop. I wanted to have everything cleaned and put away before the crew arrived. All right, here's Ron D. figuring out the entertainment system. Hey! And there's Mark. Hey! I was happy to have my crew on board, and I was ready to go. And then this happened. The gangsters at the Marina hit me with this bill for $856. $200 for a week of storage, which was BS, because I'd only bought the boat 2 days ago, and they said I didn't give them a proper notice. And then $600 for the launch. Now the problem with that is I had already prepaid that launch, but they said since fuel went up so much, they had to charge me again. Gangsters. And normally I would match that energy, but this time they had home field advantage, so I paid it and got the hell out of Dodge. Later for those suckers. They put my boat in the water. I checked the engine, make sure everything was good, looked for leaks, found a couple, fixed it, and prepared to float on. Figure that out. Okay, step 1, the engine started right up. All right, I'm gonna get busy, so I'm gonna have to sign off for now, and we'll pick this up later. It's real busy getting out of here and really shallow, so I gotta get ready. All right, peace. Yo, next on damage control, we refuel and do a little bit of R&R while we wait for our departure weather window. Hey, I am really grateful that you all tuned in. Please come on back.